now I will let the floor to GammaAR, Dolas, working also in augmented reality for construction and operation of buildings. GammaAR, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Laurent. So I will just share my screen. So hello. Today we're going to talk about GammaAR. And GammaAR is actually a tool that brings BIM models to the construction and operation of buildings. So what we do is that GammaAR visualizes 3D BIM models on top of reality. And by that, it helps to prevent errors and expensive rework and share information between the site and the office in real time. If you look at construction today, planners create these highly detailed 3D models. By the way, I'm an architect by myself, so I used to do that too. But if you go to the construction site, construction managers still use printed 2D plans. These pictures are actually, on the right, are from 1950, so not much has changed. Which leads to many undetected planning and construction problems, as these two examples show. These are just two funny ones, but a much more common example is a missing opening in cast concrete as this one. A fix can cost between 1,000 and 3,000 euros, sometimes even more. And last time when we went to a construction site in Düsseldorf in Germany, we found 42 of those within just 5 minutes. And they all could have been prevented using GammaAR. So GammaAR helps to prevent errors and prevent the expensive rework that comes with it. It helps to facilitate the communication process by making it unambiguous, and it helps to manage the sites effectively. Here's a short video that we can see. And in this short video, what you will see is, first of all, we didn't plan to meet with so many construction managers there on the site. It was just like with the one with the beard. But as you can see, it's pretty interesting for those to overlay the site with the reality. And this helps the construction managers to understand what they have to build before they build it. And at the same time, it helps them to document on a very precise way. The usage is pretty easy. First, you're going to our platform where you can create a project, upload your BIM model, or you can import from Autodesk platforms too. And next step, you can go there and invite other people to your platform project. Then you choose the model that you're in and the floor that you're in, and with just 2 clicks, you're able to choose basically a reference object. And this is how the positioning works. So it's very simple, no preparation needed. You just go to the site and everything is okay. And with this, you're ready to go to the site, get information, show and highlight information that you want to see, understand the buildings better, and so on. And at the same time, since we are using BIM models, we are able to access all the data from within the projects. So that means since we are working with the object-based model, we are able to make comments, photos, and so on, and all is synchronized with our platform. So as a quick recap, GammaAR helps to visualize 3D models on top of reality, BIM models on top of reality. And it helps to understand basically what has to be built. And what makes GammaAR great is it's very easy to use. Here on the right, you're seeing the positioning. So you don't need to have QR codes or anything. Just go to the site and that's it. No preparation needed. And our issue management helps to basically track issues or document issues and track progress directly on specific components, building components themselves, which makes it very easy for everyone to follow up with what has to be done. Let's imagine something has to be changed. This issue will be sent to the BIM model back in the planner's office, and he knows directly what he has to change. So it makes the communication much easier. And of course, we help to basically keep people responsible. So you can decide until when something has to be finished, who has to do it. Everything will be tracked. And it's pretty easy to use. So basically, what happens is, first of all, when we start with a model is basically uploaded to our platform where is like all this information is then synchronized with basically like all the issue information synchronized with our platform, where you are able to basically also see, okay, who has to do what and so on. So we are basically an issue management online also next to our app. Just two additional things. And all this information can be also exported or synchronized. So we allow for for the open BIM workflows, meaning IFC and VCF. At the same time, people can export spreadsheets. We have a Dynamo node for Revit to make awesome things with this. And also, if you want to synchronize with Autodesk platforms, we have a BIM 360 Docs connection, since we are a member of the Autodesk Construction Cloud, which helps basically maybe 80% of the users to manage their sites effectively and optimize their workflows. And when you follow up with all this, when you complete the circle of information, what happens is that you are able to highlight what you have done directly in your model and see, okay, I have to change this, for example, this red part as an architect, and say, okay, there needs to be some changes to be done. Basically, you can also find us and write us through our internet page, www.gamma-ar.com.